Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news straight from the world of Samsung. It's about their latest addition to the F series, the Galaxy F55 5G. And trust us, it's got some seriously cool features that you don't want to miss. Now, Samsung has been keeping us on our toes with their innovative designs and top-notch technology. And the Galaxy F55 5G is no exception. Rumor has it it's going to be a real game changer. First up, let's talk about that design. Samsung is known for pushing the boundaries when it comes to style, and the F55 is no different. With its distinctive vegan leather finish, it's not just about looks, it's about making a statement. And check out that stitching detail. It's all about the little things that make a big difference. But what about the camera, you ask? Well, hold on to your seats because the F55 is packing a serious punch. With a 50MP main lens, plus an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, you'll never miss a moment. And let's not forget about performance. Under the hood, the F55 is rumored to be powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, meaning lightning-fast speed and seamless multitasking. And speaking of seamless, just take a look at that display. With a 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED Plus screen and a 120Hz refresh rate, every swipe and scroll is buttery smooth. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the battery life? Well, fear not, because the F55 is rumored to come equipped with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered up all day long. But hey, don't just take my word for it. We've got some leaked renders that give us a closer look at the F55 in all its glory. I mean, just look at that leather back panel. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G. With its stunning design, powerhouse performance, and top-of-the-line camera, it's shaping up to be one of the hottest phones of the year. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching.